What is going on YouTube land? I am Chris Catalunya. Before we get into this shoe review today, go ahead and check out my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the underscore at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm. And guys, let's get this channel to that 20,000 subscriber mark. I would greatly appreciate it. It would be hella dope. Now this video would not be possible without the efforts from Kicking It ATX. Kicking It is a sneaker boutique located in the Domain Shopping Center in North Austin, Texas. Whether you're looking for apparel and shoes from Nike, Adidas, the Hundreds, or just want to talk up your shoe game in the full service bar in the back, Kicking It has what you need. Check them out at kickingitatx.com. Alright guys, I was able to obtain an early pair of these Air Jordan 1 shoes, and just by looking at the box you should know what they are. Your predominantly white box with the purple metallics going on the side and on the top. I really feel sorry for Big Feet gang because these don't come in extended sizes. They only go up to a size 10.5 in men's. Luckily for me, I wear a size 8, size 8.5 in men's shoes, so I can wear a size 10, a 9.5 sometimes. It just depends. But yeah, let's open the box. So here we go, the Court Purple 3.0s, or whatever they're called. I feel like there are like 10 different names associated with this shoe. Anyways, first impression, I think these are hella banging. I think they look dope, they look fresh. In terms of quality, it's alright. We've definitely seen better quality Jordan releases this year, but I'm not mad at this. Now, this retailed at the price point of $170 USD. Add your tax and your VAT just based on where you reside. Looking at the resale market, looking at Goat, StockX, SneakerCon, this is going anywhere between $250 and about $300, just dependent on the size that you need. Of course, big gang sizes are gonna go for a little bit more. The Court Purple 3.0 has a release date of June 3rd, 2021, and is releasing alongside the University of Michigan Dunk Lows, which is the blue and yellow one, and the Michigan State ones. It's the rivalry pack, it's the green and white Dunk Low. And I would be surprised to see a lot of people gravitate towards this shoe as opposed to Dunks on release date, but I guess we'll see. The Court Purple 3.0s are a general release shoe. They might have some heavy inventory numbers for them, and they'll be releasing at sneaker boutiques like Kicking It ATX, mall retailers like Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, and of course the Sneakers app, but good luck on that. Taking a look at the entirety of this Court Purple 3.0, the upper is mainly composed of that white leather, whether you're looking at the quarter panel, the mudguard, the vent, all done in white leather. And again, the upper is of a quality good leather for a Jordan 1 shoe, but definitely it's not the best quality leather that we've seen on a Jordan 1 release this year. I would say it has a medium firmness to it. Prominent and in your face is that Nike swoosh that runs from the lateral to the medial side of the shoe and is done in this like shellacked purple. And I know a lot of people are getting like metallic vibes, and I can see why they like side with that, but I definitely don't see any of like sparkle or metallic flakes going on. It's just like a base of purple with like a clear coat over that. No metallic here. Above the Nike swoosh, the ankle strap is donning that Air Jordan Wings logo that is debossed into that white leather. It looks pretty good, and it complements the collar above and below in that Court Purple. Now I love it when I get more than one set of laces accompanied with a pair of shoes. In this case, we got two sets of laces. The default set of laces were of a white color, a flat shape, and a cotton build. These were on the shoes. These were the secondaries that were attached in this bag, but I just thought the purple ones looked so much banger on the shoe than the white ones. What is probably my most favorite feature of this Court Purple 1 is what's sitting behind those sets of laces. The white tongue. Now typically with an Air Jordan 1 high release, we're given a nylon foam padded tongue, but not in this. We have the leather running from the bottom to the top, and we're met with a white woven label with Nike Air done up in purple. The reverse side of the tongue features a purple satin fabric that matches with the lining of the shoe, and it looks pretty good. It definitely won't get dirty so easily, and it is really padded on the medial, the lateral, and at the heel of the shoe, giving you that comfort at the ankle. Removing the insole, we have a purple piece of fabric laid upon a thin piece of blue foam, where at the heel we have the Nike Air logo done up in white. Taking a look at the midsole of the shoe, that's the base of the shoe. It's done in this blown rubber component to enable durability. There is supposed to be an air unit towards the heel of the shoe too for impact resistance. Now, this is stitched onto the upper of the shoe to maintain integrity. Moving on to the outsole of the shoe, it's done up in this loud purple color, and I really like it. You have the traction markings at the top with the circles, the grid marked at the bottom, and the Nike branding smack dab in the middle. Also done in this blown rubber component to enable durability and flexibility. When it comes to sizing, normally I'm rocking a size 8.5 or a 9 US. 8.5 being my true size, it leaves me a little space from the top of the toe to the top of the toe box area. Now, again, this is a women's release, so therefore you're gonna need to add 1.5 to your men's size. So a men's size 8.5, add 1.5 to that is gonna be a women's 10. So that's what I got here. In terms of comfortability, I don't feel that this women's Air Jordan 1 is narrower than the men's version. To me, they feel the same. If you're looking for a shoe that you can walk in or stand in all day, I definitely wouldn't suggest a Jordan 1. They're pretty flat shoe, offering little to no cushioning, and just look at the insole, it's pretty thin. I would, however, put in my own insole with an arch support or a pronation support or supination. That would make this a lot more bearable. Overall, the Court Purple 3.0 is a damn good looking shoe. The color blocking is on point. The lining where it's done up in that satin fabric, chef's kiss right there. Only complaint is the leather quality of the white that's going all the way around the upper. It's just not the best that we've seen. But again, I'm not mad. Alright guys, I think this is a good stopping point for this video. What do you think about the Court Purple 3.0s, or whatever the name is called? Is this a good pickup? A bad pickup? Are you going to try to cop them? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. Go ahead and check my Instagram, Chris Catalunya with the _ at the end. Go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. Fight the algorithm. And guys, let's get this channel to that 20,000 subscriber mark. That would be hella dope. Alright guys, I'm Chris Catalunya, and we will check you next time. Cheers. Sige na.